How to watch Hulu Plus Live TV. Hulu Plus Live TV combines Hulu's on-demand streaming library with live television channels offering a comprehensive viewing experience. Step number 1, check availability in your region. Ensure that Hulu Plus Live TV is available in your area. Availability may vary based on your location. Step number 2, choose a subscription plan. Visit the Hulu Plus Live TV page to explore available plans. As of November 2024, plans start at $82.99 per month, which includes access to Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Step number 3, sign up for Hulu Plus Live TV. Go to the Hulu website and click on Start Your Free Trial or Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create an account and select your preferred subscription plan. Step number 4, set up your devices. Download and install the Hulu app on your preferred devices, such as smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, or streaming devices like Roku or Amazon Fire TV. Log in to the Hulu app using your account credentials. Step number 5, access live TV channels. Open the Hulu app and navigate to the Live TV section to browse available channels. Select the channel to start streaming live content. Step number 6, explore additional features. Utilize features like Cloud DVR to record live TV content. Access on-demand content for Hulu streaming library. Important considerations. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is required for streaming. Device compatibility. Ensure your devices are compatible with the Hulu app. Regional restrictions. Some content may be subject to regional restrictions.